Tenere 700 or T7 is one of Yamaha's tough adventurous motorbikes. This tall, dirt-scratching motorbike has off-road DNA that is known as a true adventurer. Despite being an adventurous motorbike in extreme fields, the T7 often gets special handling and modifications. This time, the actor behind the cool modification of the Yamaha T7 is a custom repair shop from Italy called Garage. The Garage Touch further emphasizes that this Yamaha T7 ride has a strong character as an enduro ride. This time, Garage brings it back to classic Yamaha off-road models. It was also built in a classic motorcycle style such as a vintage rally enduro engine. His classic body kit gives it new life as if living in two different generations. As a modern model, T7 gets the latest features to strengthen its contemporary interpretation. While the engine is specially formulated, like the At465 from 1981, which gives a strong classic feel. The presence of this modified garage model is considered by many as one of the most iconic enduro moto works in the Yamaha model range. Parts of the body are also painted in a classic blue color. It also gains LED headlamps, complete fairing with all mounting and support hardware, sticker kit, new front turn signals, tall front fenders, a new set of side body panels, and new aluminum radiator guard. In addition, according to Garage, the body it uses is lighter than OEM components, so it will give it the ability to kick spontaneously because of its lighter weight. Garage provides modification prices that are quite friendly for Yamaha T7 motorbike lovers. The price is around €1,398.